Intel stock was the most active for today, the 8th of May 2026. 222 million shares crossed the tape. 50-day average is usually around 116 million shares. You won't believe it. Intel is up 238.54% since January of this year. Yeah, you won't believe it. So the company struck a preliminary deal to make chips for Apple after year-long talks. Details on products and chip types were not disclosed. Okay, let's see. Intel's revenue of $13.6 billion is up 7% year over year. Adjusted EBIT, earnings per share of $0.29, non-GAAP gross margin 41%. Results beat company guidance. Stock has rallied for months ahead of the reports. Okay, and then the company and Google extended a multi-year deal to co-develop Xeon CPUs and custom AI acceleration IPUs, jointly designing processors and AI hardware, reinforcing Intel as Google's manufacturing partner. U.S. government holds $11.1 billion in Intel, about 433.3 million shares. Market value roughly $49 billion. These shares are locked and can be sold before August 27th. Intel hit a new record, okay, above its 2000.com high as AI demand for CPUs in data centers and broader chip sector strength lifted the shares, okay. What is it saying here about Intel is teaming up with Elon Musk on Terafab, a proposed chip plant to make chips for Tesla, XAI, and SpaceX, part of Intel's manufacturing expansion. Okay, let's see what we have. Underlying trend, strongly bullish. Yeah, you can see here. The 200-day moving average, which underscores the underlying trend, is trending robustly, gaining $1.21 every day. 10-day moving average has gone parabolic, gaining $4.37 every day. Higher prices are expected to remain in place at least up till Friday the 9th. Yeah, is it Friday the 19th? Tuesday the 19th of May. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. Yes, we have the same alignment as well. Yes, up to the 26th of May, high prices are expected on the weekly charts. Underlying trend is also strongly bullish. Everything here is trending. There's no danger of okay, well, there's a threat of the underlying trend decaying on the weekly charts, but that might be sometime later on this year. Yeah. On the 4-hour chart, what are the projections? Yes, alignment. Okay, well, for Monday and much of Tuesday the 12th, we have sideways movement. It can go either way. It can go either way. Yeah. After that, and here it's saying it might go to the upside after from midday, or rather, it might close higher by, or rather, the uptrend may resume by the close of Tuesday's trading session. There are no projections to the upside for Intel from now. 116.41. Let's see what we have, whether we have an intraday high, 130.57. But we might be able to see whether there are upper projection. I mean, yeah, what the market grid is going to indicate. It might give us possible prices. Yeah, let's see what we have. Well, 133, between 133 and 116. I think we can equally have a look at its previous records. Okay, yeah. Intel has been around for some time, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's have a look at its quarterly chart. Let's see what we have here. 115, 135. 135, okay, yeah. Here we have 117. Let's look at the monthly chart for Intel. So, okay, bi-monthly, sorry, I mean biannual, is it? Yeah, biannual, yeah. We'll have here 135. But they're not in play at the moment. They're not in play at the moment. On every chart, the stock has is parabolic. Yes. Let's see every 12 months. So it went public 1972. Yeah, it's been around long enough. Over 50 years. Yeah, that's why that's why it's an important stock. It's not easy to have this sort of longevity on the markets. So I think weekly chart is yeah, there are no projections on any of the charts. This is the monthly chart, 60.85. Higher prices are expected to remain in place at least up till the 1st of October. Yeah. Okay, we've seen $135 on one of the market grids. Let's just see what we will see on its 1 hour chart. This is the 2 hour chart. 119, 142, yeah. 142 printed not long ago. In this session, 142, 136. They're not in play at the moment, but they printed. It didn't print. It didn't test those highs. 142 as well. 128, 142 as well. This is that's on the 1 hour chart. 3 hour chart. Let's see. 142, yeah. 128, 136, 142. Yeah, yes. Okay, yeah. See what you make of Intel stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.